Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we are back with another unboxing video. Now this time it's going to be very different because I'm going to be unboxing an Apple Watch Ultra 3.
The Apple Watch Ultra 3.
I have an Apple Watch Series 2 with a case, protection case that makes it look like an Apple Watch Ultra 1 or something. And as you know, that model is very old, doesn't get any updates anymore. The reason I have this is because a friend of mine gave it to my mother, who needed an Apple Watch to check her vitals and all sorts of things because her health isn't perfect. She stopped using it after a while because it was uncomfortable or something like that. And I was like, okay, well, now it's been collecting dust in a drawer for like a good year maybe. And well, you know what? Why don't I just use it, you know? So I've been using that for a couple of years. And it's been pretty good, but the battery health is it's I wake up with it being 100%, and at the end of the day, it's like 10% or just completely dead, and I needed to charge it. And that without even really using the watch, like getting notifications and looking on the watch like 5 times the same day. It's just really just bad. But you know, let's go get to the door and get the Apple Watch Ultra 3 because it's just been delivered. Let's go look.
The Apple Watch Ultra 3.
Let's unbox the Apple Watch Ultra 3.
The Apple Watch Ultra 3.
Never unboxed one before, so bear with me. I'm not sure how this box is put together. Okay, that's actually really simple. Ah, user manual. Alright, gotcha. I'm gonna teach you guys a little bit. Let's go for the band. How do I open this? Oh, my fault. Apple, how am I supposed to open this? You didn't give me a instruct. Okay, just, you know what, just rip it out. Alright, it's probably just a rip it out type of thing, some stuff. Alright, the Apple Watch Ultra 3.
The Apple Watch Ultra 3.
Let's go, shall we? Oh, okay, 3, 2, 1. Designed by Apple. Ah, yes. Oh, wow. Okay, they have a really good charger. Braided cable, love that. USB Type-C. Think I'm supposed to just rip it out, but I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna break something here. You know, I'll figure this out later. Plus, I have a wireless charger anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. Wow. This thing has some nice weight to it. I like this. Alright, let me put on the band and then put on the watch. Alright, you guys, I have finally put on the Apple Watch Ultra 3.
The Apple Watch Ultra 3.
As you can see, I have the wristband that came with it and the watch as well. Let's go turn it on, shall we? I actually don't know how to turn this on. Compared to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, I don't know if there's a difference. It may need to charge. Oh, there we go. I was just pressing the wrong thing. This is just the Apple Watch Ultra, sorry. This is the Apple Watch Series 2 with just a thing on it, you know. This is taking a while to start up, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we have, bring your phone near your watch. Okay, hold on. Alright, let's see. Oh, sick, dude. Yes? Oh, wow. Set up for myself, yes. What? Okay. Okay, hold on. Alright, cool. It has been paired. I love this screen. Alright, so, status check. It is currently syncing up with my phone. Apparently this takes quite a while. I don't remember it taking this long with the Apple Watch Ultra Series 2. I'm sorry, I keep saying Ultras. I don't know why I'm saying that. The names are a little bit confusing for my brain for some reason. Anyway, as you can see, we're almost halfway, so it's gonna take some time. I guess I'll see you guys later. Tomorrow, in 3 years, I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys when this is done. Alright, on my phone it's saying, welcome to Apple Watch. Hello. Done. Alright, and update complete. Let's scroll down, see if there's anything there. Alright, okay. Start. How to navigate Apple Watch. Alright, well I know how to do this already. Activity, you can still do it. Great stuff, Apple. Great stuff. Dismissed. There we go. Alright, well, I think... Okay, I don't have any other watch faces yet, but that's okay. I'll install them. Alright, so that's it for this video. Make sure to comment down below what you liked and what you didn't like about this video. Maybe, I don't know, let me know if you want me to do more unboxing videos like this. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.
Apple Watch Ultra 3.